I know I already made a video today, and this is going to be like a super quick one, but Five Sauce are asking if or what like songs we want them to play during the sorry, I'm really distracted. I'm just looking at all of this trash. But I voted, where is it? Yeah. So we need your help picking a song. Which out of these three do you want to hear us play on Sounds Live Feels Live? And that's 4, not 3. And they each have 25%. But I think I found a leaked set list. If I can find it. Hello? Oh, here it is. Yeah, that says airplanes, outer space, vapor. Can't read what those say. Oh, someone's taking a picture. And that looks like a foot. But Camel Crush. Wait, I want to look that up. What is it? What the heck? But what is it? Tobacco? Huh? Cigarette? Huh? What? Who's using these? Okay, anyways, but, yeah, I just wanted to say that really quickly. They posted a quick little 20-second video.
So, it's currently 25% for all 4 songs.
Yeah.
You guys need to let us know what you vote for rap. Absolute vote for airplanes. The choice is in your hands. Make me proud. Mouth circumference.
They're so stupid. And then I thought they posted another one. Oh, this is it.
Tell everyone what you did.
Yeah, there are the things. And there's the set list right there.
Callum hates beside you. Beside you's dead.
Wait, what the heck? Where's that guy?
Callum hates beside.
Hi. He's drinking juice.
Beside you's dead.
Okay, so yeah, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're not already, share this with the Five Sauce fam, check out my last video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and yeah, take care.